This tutorial is about CenterView data funnels and specifically retrieving data from Salesforce.com into CenterView data funnels. We'll start by creating a new data funnel. We will give it a name. This is going to be our accounts data funnel. We're going to tell it we want to retrieve the data from Salesforce.com. That is where our data is coming from. We're going to use an alias. We recommend that you use CenterView aliases so that you can keep your credentials and connection information in a single place. Salesforce allows you to do two main things. You can run a standard SQL query or get a pick list. This time we will just do a query. This is the SQL query editor. It has a tree over here of your Salesforce information. There is a visual query editor as well as a textual query editor. You can use either. We store it as text, so you may use either editor. You end up with the same result. We want to, in this case, we are interested in account names and the industry that that account is associated with. And because of our data, we will limit this to just the first 100. When we preview it, we should get our account names and the industries they are in. We can quickly and easily filter this by dragging industry down to our filter and saying I'm only interested in industries in the financial services area. Now when we preview our data, we should only get the names of our accounts who are in the financial services industry. Now suppose that you are building a dashboard where you would like the user of the dashboard to select the industry. You'll notice there's a lot of industries here in this pre-populated drop-down. We will do that by creating another data funnel, which is a pick list. So we're going to create a data funnel which is our industries. We're going to again get the data from Salesforce.com. We're going to use our alias again. This time we will select pick list because we're going to get pick list for a specific field. The field that we are interested in is the industry. If we preview this, we will get the exact data that was in the drop-down list in the visual query editor. So now we have a data funnel which contains all of our industries that are possibilities for our account data funnel. Now if we go back to our accounts data funnel and bring up our data funnel wizard, if we want to change this to be generated from the dashboard, we can come over and we can change this to be a server script variable which says get the industry value out of a variable. We have our variables button in the wizard. If we bring this dialog up, it searches for server script variables, pre-populates the dialog, and we can put in a default value. Then when we preview our query, we will still be getting our financial services. When we use this data funnel in a dashboard, we can allow the user to select the industry. We can populate a drop-down using our industries data funnel, and from that data funnel, from our industries data funnel, we can populate the drop-down. The drop-down will populate the server script variable which will be used in our DF accounts data funnel. That is how we get data from Salesforce.com into CenterView data funnels.